So we're here in Caldas de Rainha. We've got a few hours for our bus to Tomar, so we thought we'd try somewhere different for lunch. And we wandered around the back streets and we've come across this lovely pasteleria. They've board out the front. The menu today is sopa de agrião and jardineira de porco. So we went for menu 2, which is €6, and we get
porco jardineiro, pork, potatoes, vegetables, traditional Portuguese, with a salad. Coke, I don't think it's real Coke, I think it's like a home brand one, unfortunately, and a coffee for €6. Good value, and it will fill us up for our journey.
And how is the meal itself? Is it?
It's quite tasty actually, I'm enjoying the pork. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Just walking around the corner to Caldas bus station, and we've been in Caldas a few times. I've never been down the street before. I don't know, it's weird. It's just, you think you know a place, but you don't really. Some interesting artwork, and Caldas bus station, which looks a little bit kind of, I don't know, what would you say?
I think like 1930s style.
Yeah.
Art Nouveau.
Great.
I think Lee was going to say brutalist maybe, but...
No, something like that. There's a word which I can't think of right now.
Wow, it is great. Oh, the birds on the outside, and what is this that we're coming up to?
Retro. That was the word. Retro. Yeah. It's a retro bus station. Nice cat. I've never been in this way.
No.
We always must have used the back door.
That's so cool. Lovely ceramics above the door. You come down, a nice open and clean modern bus station.
More ceramics inside. Look at that.
Ooh! And the amazing thing is, we don't need masks anymore. But unfortunately, paid toilets apparently. It's never good. Get your ticket access here. How much is it? 50 cents.
Not going to happen, is it?
No, just remember, Ladia, free toilets. Caldas, no. So today we're travelling from Caldas de Rainha to Tomar. We're going via Ladia and travelling with the Rede Expressos. Now it's a 2.5-hour journey for €13.50 each, so it's not a great value because there aren't any bargains on this particular route. But it'll also be cool to see a different part of Portugal. And remember, Ladia has free toilets. Here, they're 50 cents each, so try to hold on.
We are now sorted for dessert. Been to Pingo Doce and got some pastéis de nata. Buy 5, get 6. Buy 5, get the 6 free. €1.75 for 6 pastéis de nata instead of €2.10. Brilliant. Yeah, and I just noticed this. This is Rodoviário do Este. If you're in the Silver Coast area, this is a really good bus company for local journeys that seems to come in a lot cheaper than Rede Express. So look for that one, RDO online.
Yeah.
I recommend the Pingo Doce pastéis de nata, are very good. And the challenge is to eat it without dropping bits all over the bus station, which I'm sure the cleaner will appreciate.
It's our first bus.
first station complete.
Brilliant.
Now on to Tomar.
The back in Ladia bus station. Remember, it's a lovely city, but this bus station's really not that attractive. But free toilets, always a bonus.
Looking comfortable on here.
Pretty amazing. Like you can see down below to make sure no one's taking your luggage. Never seen that before. Just leaving Ladia again.
It's a very nice modern bus, this one. Lovely decor. I like the zebra print seats.
And something else I've noticed.
Yeah, and there's a toilet. A huge one.
Like there. Turns out it's one of those €1 toilets, so remember, go at the bus station before you leave.
Yes, we've made it to Tomar, only about 20 minutes late. It's not too bad. Really interesting scenery coming out of here. It was like, it's a bit more wild, the countryside. We saw a lot of either cork trees or olive trees grow, we're not quite sure. Pretty scrubby, but yeah, a little bit more, I don't know, wild and exotic. Yeah, I like it though. We're coming to Tomar, and this is the Knights Templar stronghold, the medieval town with a castle up on the hill. Looks really pretty. We're going to be here for a week. We're really excited about that. We're going to be making a few videos, so keep watching for more. And now we're going to check to see if the toilets are free, because the bus station is right in the middle of town, and if they are, it'll be a good point of reference to come if we need one. Inside the bus station there are free toilets. We've just got to Tomar and we've already sorted them out, so that's fantastic. Right opposite the Plaza 5th of October, so quite central. Good to know. Right next to the bus station is the train station. That's good to know, because we will be getting a train out of here in a week's time when we go to Évora. And from now we're going to head to our hostel, which is only 970 meters up the hill. Just a little bit of a walk out, but worth seeing. It's quite a cheap one. It's only €21 a night. It's called the Templar Secrets House. Let's go and have a look. So how's it going with the smaller backpack now, Mandy?
Oh my word, it's incredible. I left stuff at Praia del Rei and in Caldas de Rainha, and I'm down to this like really light backpack and just
yeah,
my little
fantastic
decathlon bag.
We've only got 18 days between house sits, so we're travelling light this time, aren't we?
Yeah, which is absolutely brilliant. Left so much stuff behind, including raincoats, and so of course it poured with rain today.
The sky went black. It was like Armageddon. Are we going to regret it?
No, definitely not. It's still warm, it's lovely. Yeah, it's brilliant, and it's great to travel light. I'm going to have to, I don't know, get my head around doing it all the time now. So what did you just tell me this meant?
I think this is the Quinta farmhouse of the Cu da Mula, is the mule's ass, I think. Nice. We've got ourselves a bit of a steep hill here, I suppose. You get what you pay for, €21. Cheapest place that we found in booking.com for Portugal at the time. You've got to climb a bit of a hill to get there.
Look, we're in the countryside again.
Yeah, beautiful. Nice. It's quite interesting. This is the facade of the Templar Secrets Hostel. It looks like a commercial building or something like that. I read that on the review. People says, "Oh, I don't really like the exterior," but I think it looks quite nice. The hostel is inside. We'll go inside and have a look.
Before we do,
we've got the lovely view across the countryside. Can't complain at that.
No, they're making hay at the moment. Oh, that's so cool. Apart from the barking dog, it's very peaceful.
So this is our room in the Templar Secrets house for €21 a night. We've got, it's a triple room, so there's 3 beds. We only need 2, but the other one, Mandy's there. I suppose she'll be... yeah, before we've unpacked, we'll better show you the room, otherwise it'll be a mess. Anyway, what do you think so far, Mandy? First impressions?
It's lovely, it's really cool. There's a table here with...
Yeah, they've given us towels, they've given us water bottles, which is really nice. We've got a desk to work on.
Okay, this is our peanut butter and crackers,
That's
of course.
The breakfast we bought for ourselves, but they do a breakfast for €2.
And
we're thinking about...
amazing.
Yeah, so it might be worth €2 well spent. So we've got a view out the front there, which is really quite pleasant. A nice rural bucolic view.
Yeah, have a park,
yeah.
which is really cool.
We've got some cupboards to store the things in that we don't really have. Some blankets, that would be great for extra stuff. Yeah. And then we'll have a look. Shared bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. Looks quite pleasant. Toilet and a bidet. Bath, we could always have a bath and a shower, a little shower head there.
Apparently there's another bathroom downstairs, so we can go and look at that, and the kitchen.
There's only a couple of rooms, like 4 rooms up here I think, and there's one guy in another one, so that's all right. It's like it's a sort of private home that's been made into a hostel.
Like an apartment that's been turned into budget accommodation.
Yeah.
And as Tomar is a Knights Templar stronghold, we've got our first image of one of those famous knights.
A lot more of that to come, I'm sure. Kitchen as well, shared kitchen for everyone to use. So we've got a stove and an oven
and open the cupboard door, please, Lee, because there's also spices, which is really good. And there's oil,
some plates and things, which is great. Some hostels you go to and there's like nothing in the kitchen. So
apparently the one in Faro is going to be there.
We've got a toaster, sandwich maker, a fridge where we can put our stuff in here.
But before we go to there, apparently if you have breakfast, all of this is included. Cereals, oh wow, like Nutella kind of stuff. There's instant coffee and there's teas and there's bread.
Yeah.
There's fruit.
Yeah, and there is ham and cheese and yogurts and things, so I think it might be worthwhile.
Yeah, and there's eggs, and I don't know if that cake's included or not, but we can still put stuff on that shelf there if we want. But so
we're really
far,
quite pleased with it. So
yeah.
Templar Secrets Hostel, €21 a night.
Thought it was a balcony. No, it's just a nice view back out into the little park area.
And when we booked this, it was €21 a night, and then we looked a few days later, and it was €42 a night. So not quite sure what happened there. The price really went up, but for the price we're paying, we are really, really happy. That's why we're staying a week.
And here's the other bathroom. Oh, 2 sinks, shower, toilet, ironing board. Oh, they would be using that, of course. And we come along, and this is the living area. Lovely, the lounge. Looks very comfortable. So, I'm so pleased. I think we chose well.
We did. Yeah, great place to stay. Hope you enjoyed the journey here and our accommodation.
We're going to be in Tomar for a week, so there's going to be plenty of videos, so make sure you check them out. And subscribe, like, comment below, because you know it helps our channel grow.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.